has never chosen not to pay Miss Rose. Oh, hell yes, he did. He chose not to pay her, and he chose to go to the Privy Council not to pay her. He went several appeals. How the hell Gregory can say he has never chosen not to pay her? When he chose to appeal the ruling of the courts, he chose not to pay her. When he chose to go to the Privy Council, he chose not to pay her. Say, Mr. Payne has never chosen not to pay Mr. Rhodes. His lawyer negotiated a payment arrangement and asked that she show proof of life to receive her funds. When in the hell has the court ever told you that you can require proof of life? They never tell you that. They tell you to carry the money to the court and they will sort out. Let them deal with proof of life. I ain't got nothing to do with you. You're behind is to pay that money. You know, I know who Lincoln lawyer is. I need to know. That person needs to have their that lawyer will not be able to be the Attorney General of the Bahamas. Um because yeah, that I don't know who that lawyer. Yeah, he get that lawyer off Netflix for you. There's no way. Say, ask that she show proof of life to receive her funds the date she has it. You cannot pay someone who does not show up to be paid. She don't have to show up to be paid because you're not supposed to be paid off. You're supposed to. That's the court literally gets in the middle there so that you and the person who have the interaction, you carry the money to the court. So that $90,000, what he wanted the government click or the cashier to show proof of life. Hmm? You don't do that. Calvin Grimes says, he responded to Godfrey, Gregory Jones. He says, pay attention, ignoramus. Whenever paying child support payments or court judgment, you don't pay any money to the plaintiff. The money is paid directly to the courts, which is absolutely so. So how in the hell you demanding proof of life? Who you with? Well, man, who died and left you in charge? What the hell you doing? Huh? Y'all better wake up and stop y'all foolishness, man. Well, Gregory, I don't know what you doing with your money, but you gotta go make a donation to Lincoln. You understand, you? Sell your clothes and sell your TV and give Lincoln the money to pay senior. You understand what I'm saying? I said, listen. I ain't stopping, right? Since I ain't stopping nobody from voting COI. I'm actually supporting people voting COI because I feel like it's an alternative to the PLP and the FNM. It is what it is. And I feel that we need to have that system in place where we we need to have that system in place where people in the Bahamas have an option. And we need to show the PLP and the FNM that we don't need them. Because what they have done is created a system where they've convinced people that, you know what, you can't do it with the PLP or the FNM. And so we need to shut that down. And so that's why the COI is relevant. And any other option is relevant. And I wish people would support them overwhelmingly, crushing both parties. You understand what I'm saying? But Lincoln Payne needs to know that the COI is not about him. It's if the party is about the Bahamian people, it should be about the Bahamian people. And so he needs to pay the woman her money. And even if he pays her, he still needs to step down. Let Veronica MacGyver lead the party. It will be of his making.